Here's how to play hide and seek in Among Us. First, you need to launch the game on your device, and from the lobby screen, you need to tap on play button at the left-hand side of the screen. That is the initial option available. Now you'll get two different options of local and online. Tap on online to play with friends or random players over the internet. Alternatively, you need to select local to host a game. If you choose online, you can find a game to join, enter a game code, or create a new game. To create a private game, tap on create game option and adjust the setting. Choose hide and seek as the game type, and then select your map, room capacity, region, and other settings. Finally, click on create game and confirm. You have now started a hide and seek game in Among Us. The game will wait for other players to join, and then you can enjoy the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.